Okay, in these next few lessons, we are finishing up the verb to be, sein in German. Here's what you've learned in previous lessons. I am, ich bin, you are, du bist, he is, ist, she is, sie ist, it is, es ist, that is, das ist, we are, wir sind, you are, ihr seid, you are, sie sind, and now we're going to learn how to ask the question, are you, using the formal, singular, and plural, you. So you are, remember, is Sie sind. Sie sind. You are, Sie sind. Now to ask the question, are you, with the formal, singular, and plural you, remember, just reverse the word order. Verb first, then subject pronoun. So the question is, sind Sie? Sind Sie? Sind Sie? Are you? Sind Sie? Are you? Sind Sie? Are you? Sind Sie? Let's apply what you've learned. To be, sein, are you, sind Sie, nice, nett, friendly, freundlich, brave, mutig, funny, komisch, happy, froh. So if you want to ask the question, are you nice? And remember, you're asking one person in a formal situation or more than one person. It could be singular or plural. Are you nice? Sind Sie nett? Are you friendly? Sind Sie freundlich? Are you brave? Sind Sie mutig? Are you funny? Sind Sie komisch? Are you happy? Sind Sie froh? That's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.